Have you ever suddenly lost interest in someone you used to enjoy talking to, and you don't even know why? It's not random. There's a psychological reason behind it. Most people think they just got tired of someone. But in psychology, this usually doesn't happen overnight. Something inside your mind changes before you even notice it. There are three main reasons this happens. 1. Emotional overstimulation. When interactions start feeling repetitive or draining, your brain begins to reduce emotional interest automatically. It's not hate, it's mental fatigue. 2. You stopped feeling understood. The moment you feel like someone no longer gets you, your mind slowly disconnects from them, even if nothing bad happened. And 3, your standards quietly changed. Without noticing, you grow mentally, and people who once felt exciting may start feeling ordinary, not because they changed, but because you did. And here's the part most people don't realize. You don't suddenly lose interest in people. You slowly lose interest in the version of yourself you were with them. Psychologists often link this to emotional detachment and identity shift. It's your mind trying to realign with who you are becoming. So the next time you suddenly lose interest in someone, don't rush to judge yourself. Sometimes it simply means you've outgrown a connection silently.